Drowning in Amazon FBA chaos? Don't worry. In the next 90 seconds, we're mapping out the essential steps to transform your FBA business from a frantic fire drill into a well-oiled, profitable machine. First, let's talk inventory. Implement a smart system. Track your stock meticulously using spreadsheets or inventory management software. Know what's selling, what's not, and when to reorder. Aim for optimal stock levels to avoid costly storage fees and missed sales opportunities. Next, amplify your reach. Mastering Amazon PPC is crucial, but don't stop there. Explore social media marketing to build brand awareness. Collect customer emails for personalized promotions. A multi-channel approach attracts more buyers. Happy customers, repeat customers respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Resolve issues efficiently. Positive reviews are gold for your product. Ranking and Beer Trust provide exceptional customer service, even when it's challenging. Numbers don't lie. Develop a solid financial plan. Track your expenses, revenue, and profit margins closely. Reinvest profits wisely to scale your business. Understanding your financial health is the key to long-term sustainability. There you have it. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving Amazon FBA business. Remember, consistency and continuous learning are your best friends on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more FBA tips and tricks.